In front of me is POCO F6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by clicking on Clipboard icon at the top of your keyboard. Now to activate it, click on this switcher next to Clipboard. And then, to go back to standard keyboard, select this arrow at the top left corner. Finally, to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text. Paste it by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard, or by tapping on Clipboard and clicking on it here. To pin one of your added sentences, use this pen at the top right corner. Click on the chosen one and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, click on the pen, tap on your sentences to delete and use bin icon instead of a pin one. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!